I'm heartbroken at the thought of health workers and care workers having to treat COVID-19 patients without the right protective equipment, PPE, to keep them safe. This puts their lives at risk. So it's an honour to be able to help Tarian Cymru's campaign to get quality PPE quickly into the hands of doctors, nurses, ambulance workers, care workers and social workers in Wales. All your donations to Tarian Cymru, which means Shield of Wales, will save lives in Wales. £14 buys a basic COVID-19 kit for one health professional. For example, medical mask, gown and visor. Every penny raised for Tarian Cymru goes towards the purchase of medical quality PPE, which is delivered directly to Welsh health and care workers. We can make a difference if we respond quickly. Tarian Cymru receives around £1,000 in donations every day, which is amazing. But more donations are needed to be able to give everyone who contacts Tarian Cymru the PPE that they request to keep them safe. So please share this campaign and please contribute if you can. Thank you to everyone who's donated so far. We're so grateful. If you're a healthcare worker in Wales, fill in the short leaflet on the Tarian Cymru website detailing your PPE needs. Thank you on behalf of us all for everything you're doing.